Create an informal product description, linking flow for informal requisitions, guided flow. Click the green plus button. This will start the new item description creation process. Search for the supplier you want to order this new product from. You need at least 4 characters for the search to start. Note: if you can't find the supplier in your list, you will need to speak with your finance team to get them added to your account. Click the edit icon to select a category. If the item or service has a brand, input it here. Input the item description. Try to use a generic description so this description can be used multiple times. You can input further detail in the order instructions section of the requisition. Input the item size, numerical. For example, wine is usually sold in 375 ml bottles. Here, you would enter 375. An entertainer may be paid by the 1 hour. Here, you would input 1. If the item does not have a size, you can leave this blank. Enter the measure. For example, wine is usually sold in 375 ml bottles. Here, you would enter ml. An entertainer may be paid by the 1 hour. Here, you would input hour. If the item does not have a measure, you can leave this blank. Input the item sell quantity, numerical. If your item comes in multiples, input the numerical value here. For example, wine usually comes in cartons of 6. Input 6 here. Slippers come in boxes of 100. Input 100 here. If the item does not come in multiples, you can leave this blank. Input the item sell pack name. For example, wine usually comes in cartons of 6. Input carton here. Slippers come in boxes of 100. Input box here. If the item does not come in multiples, you can leave this blank. Input the quantity for this order. Input the unit price, excluding any GST, but including any VAT. Input the tax percentage. This should be the tax percent, not the dollar amount. Click Save. This item will now be added to your requisition. You have completed this task.